Honor's been on a roll when it comes to stylish and trendy smartphones. It started with the Magic V2, which is one of the slimmest foldable smartphones on the market today, and now we have the Honor 90, yet another slim and stylish mid-range smartphone with a very capable camera. What up guys, Miguel here of Yigatech, and in this video we'll be talking about our favorite features of the new Honor 90 and why you should consider it as your next smartphone. Let's get into it. Starting with our first favorite feature of the Honor 90, the main rear cameras. It has one of the best cameras in the segment that we've tried so far. The highlight of the triple rear camera is the 200 megapixel main shooter. Yes, you heard that right. It's a 200 megapixel sensor, which is an insane amount for a phone of this caliber. Then again, megapixels aren't everything. The main camera is paired up with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now, you might be thinking, this is all a gimmick. But it's not! In real-world use, the photos look great. Even at night, you can capture high-resolution photos without having to worry about too much noise. Do note that it doesn't shoot at 200 megapixels natively. So if you wanted to take advantage of this mode, remember to set it to 200 megapixels in the settings to try it out. Once turned on, you can capture very high-resolution images for all your reframing and post-cropping needs. If that's not impressive enough, you can even shoot videos of up to 4K at 30 frames per second maximum. There's even built-in image stabilization software to help you with shaky handhelds. And if you want to take selfies, it's got a very capable front camera too, rated at 50 megapixels. An example use case is even if you're with a large group of people, the people at the back won't just be pixels when you zoom in on them. Like the rear camera, the front camera can also shoot at 4K. The Honor 90 features a 6.7-inch OLED display capable of HDR10+. The panel displays beautiful vivid colors and deep blacks. And even though it's slightly curved, in our testing, our hands never really accidentally touched the display. It also features a 120Hz refresh rate, and with that, the Honor 90 is great for watching videos and playing games. Going through the menus alone is already nice and smooth with no lags whatsoever. The same can be said when binge-watching content. Color reproduction is rather accurate as well, making it perfect if you want to edit photos captured using the camera. And even if you are using it under the sun, there's no need to worry about that thanks to the really high max brightness capable of 1600 nits. Interestingly, Honor claims that this phone also packs a 3840Hz pulse width modulation dimming. Skipping over the science, this display feature essentially makes the panel a lot less harmful to your eyes as compared to others. It does so by allowing a lower display flicker rate, which we did do a TikTok on, which you can find in our TikTok channel. Together with the phone's eye comfort mode, your eyes won't be as tired when using this phone for extended periods of time or late at night. The Honor 90 might be a big phone given its large 6.7-inch screen, but it doesn't feel bulky. It only measures 7.8mm thick, making it easy to fit your pockets. It's also relatively lightweight, weighing only 183 grams. The styling of the Honor 90 overall looks pretty good, featuring a minimalist design. The rear panel is made out of plastic, but it feels solid nonetheless. There's also a textured lower portion which reflects light beautifully, especially in this diamond silver color. At the same time, the textured area makes it easier to hold with one hand. Despite its size, the Honor 90 has pretty good ergonomics. The power and volume buttons, which are found on the right side, are easily accessible, and they have a nice tactile feel too. At the bottom of the phone, you'll find a USB Type-C port, a loudspeaker, and a dual SIM card slot. Overall, it's a beautiful looking phone with premium quirks. Powering the Honor 90 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 Accelerated Edition chipset paired with 12GB of RAM. This Accelerated Edition is an overclocked version of the year-old chipset, making it more powerful than the standard. The standard Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 is a very capable chipset already, and as such, the updated version found in the Honor 90 can run most of the apps and modern mobile games you can think of without any issues. Together with the beautiful 120Hz display, you're bound to enjoy playing games on this device. Even when playing for an extended period of time, the phone did not slow down or run hot. Not to mention, you can even install multiple games and apps on the phone, especially if you get the 512 gigs of internal storage variant. For those interested in benchmark scores, flashing them on screen now. The battery on the Honor 90 is typical of what you would find in the segment nowadays, rated at 5000 mAh. Despite that, it does last a rather long time compared to other phones we've tried featuring a similarly sized battery, due to the combination of the chipset and software optimization. From our time using the phone, it lasted us an entire day without needing to recharge. From 100% in the morning, the phone was still at around 40% when we got back home late in the evening. Mind you, that's using it to shoot photos, videos, and even play games to test for our review. Honor does claim it can play local videos continuously from 100% for around 20 hours. There are also various power-saving modes in order to extend battery life if ever you were inclined to use them. In our proprietary video loop test, the phone was able to last 10 hours and 37 minutes. When you do need to recharge the Honor 90, thanks to the 66-watt Honor Supercharge, charging up from 3% only takes 5 minutes to get to 20% when using the supplied cable and charger. That about rounds up our favorite features from the Honor 90. It's honestly been a great phone to use. But out of the ones we mentioned, which one is your favorite feature? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it educational or informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see ya in the next one.